In this video, you are going to learn several techniques to manage anger or stress. In our previous videos, you learn a lot about anger and stress. Here in this video, you are going to learn several situations and how to cope those situations. Anger or stress, several techniques to manage. Problems with co-workers. One reason is to get angry or stress. Problems with co-workers. When you have problems with co-workers, these techniques you can use. Try it out. 1. Excuse and leave the place. Excuse and leave the place. 2. Don't say a word. Don't say a word. 3. Breathing exercise. Do breathing exercise. You learn how to do breathing exercise in our previous video. 4. Tap on the thighs by hand alternatively. Tap on the thighs by hand. When you don't understand the teacher, you get stressed or mad at you. These solutions might help to manage your anger or stress. 1. Ask the teacher to repeat the instructions. Ask the teacher to repeat the instructions. You can say, please repeat. Please repeat. 2. Use the Google Translator. 2. Use the Google Translator. 3. Ask your friend and family to translate it for you at home. Ask your friend and family to translate it for you at home. 4. Get help from a classmate. Get help from a classmate. Some people are sensitive to the noise. When you hear a loud noise, some people get angry or stressed. Sensitive to the noise. Sensitive to the noise. When you are sensitive to the noise, you can use one of the techniques or several to calm you down. 1. Go out for a walk. Go out for a walk. 2. Go to a quiet place. Go to a quiet place. 3. Request politely. Please talk quietly. Please talk quietly. 4. You can ask politely, please go out to answer your call. If your classmate is speaking or answering a phone call during the break, you can ask politely, please go out to answer your call. Please go out to answer your call. 5. Please lower down the volume. Please lower down the volume. When someone is listening to loud music or watching TV, you can ask that person, please lower down the volume. Please lower down the volume. 5. Wear noise cancelling earbuds or headphones. You don't hear any noise. Wear noise cancelling earbuds or headphones. Wear noise cancelling earbuds or headphones. People talk loudly, then some people get angry or stressed. One, leave the place. Leave the place. 2. Go to a quiet place. Go to a quiet place. 3. Request politely, please talk quietly. Please talk quietly. I have a headache. You can ask that person, please talk quietly. I have a headache. 4. Wear noise cancelling earbuds or headphones. Wear noise cancelling earbuds or headphones. Kids cry and scream. When you have little kids, this problem experience. Kids cry and scream. 1. Find out or ask the reason to cry. Find out or ask the reason to cry. It might be the child is suffering from a sickness or hungry, punched a sibling, needs to drink water, or need to eat ice cream. So it might be anything. You need to ask why. Find out or ask the reason to cry. Sickness, hungry, punched a sibling, drink water, eat ice cream, then ask why. Give the solution to the kid's problem. Give the solution to the kid's problem, then he or she will stop crying. Another thing you can do, explain. Don't cry. Ask Mama when you need something. Ask Mama when you need something. Can't sleep at night. Lots of people around the world experience this problem. Can't sleep at night. 1. Don't drink caffeine, tea or coffee after 1 p.m. Don't drink caffeine, tea or coffee after 1 p.m. 2. Listen to relaxation music or religious talk. Listen to relaxation music or religious talk. 3. Meditate before going to bed. Meditate before going to bed. 4. Go out for a walk during the day. Go out for a walk during the day. 5. Sometimes you are not tired enough to sleep, or the opposite, exhausted, very, very tired. 6. Drink chamomile tea. Drink chamomile tea. 7. Don't think about money and problems before you go to bed. Don't think about money and problems before you go to bed. 8. Stop watching television or using the phone before an hour go to bed. 9. Talk to the family doctor. If any of the techniques didn't work with you, talk to the family doctor. Then he might give you sleeping pills. Talk to the family doctor. Take sleeping pills. Take sleeping pills. We have long to-do list. Lot to do in one day. Long to-do list, we have a lot to do in one day. Number one, you can limit activities to do in one day. Limit activities to do in one day. 2. Choose the most important activities to do. If you can't finish the list, choose the most important activities to do. 3. Learn to say good enough. Learn to say good enough and stop completing the to-do list. You can use these techniques when you get angry or when you are in stress.